All right, so if you're going to remove a Babcock two-piece clutch brake, you're going to struggle with which pin punch to use to get that split pin out of this hole. So let's just go over the parts really quick. You're going to need a 3/32 pin punch. This one's a snap-on one. And then we are going to put that inside of a 1/4-inch socket. In this case, it's a 10 mil deep socket onto a 1/4-inch extension. That's going to allow us to create this sort of apparatus that we can reach up through the inspection cover, and we can rotate that transmission input shaft by barring over the engine until we see the pinhole. Now you're going to need a little brake clean, a little bit of air to clean that out, but then you're going to line up. Notice, oh, we got it wrong. See how the pin goes all the way in? So that means we got the wrong side. Rotate around, and we're going to see on this side instead, when we push in right here, you see how we're able to hit contact on that roll pin? We are then going to drive this roll pin up, and these tangs, so long as they're in place, they're going to be lined up and held on the input shaft. And you might have to use the clutch pedal to hold the brake if it's spinning. And in that case, the tool, the reason why we picked this pin punch is that it's as thin as the clutch brake. So when we squeeze it, even with the clutch pedal, holding the clutch brake from spinning, if these notches are busted, we are still able to drive this out. But then we're going to drive this pin in. The pin's going to get caught into this whole area here. You'll be able to release the clutch pedal, split the two-piece clutch brake, and then when we go to reassemble it, if you're going to reuse this one, if the tangs are broken, you're clearly not going to reuse it. But if you are going to reuse it, then you're going to be able to drive that split pin back in to place and hold the two pieces together.